It hit me like bang, bang, boom, bam. It hit me like bang, bang, boom, bam.
Let's learn BAM. It's choreographed by Miguel, Belloque, Vane, Tim Johnson, and Rebecca Lee. It is a 32 count, 4-wall improver level line dance with a tag on the end of wall 5. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about the tag, and then we're going to go through and dance 6 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn BAM. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to do 2 walks forward, step right, step left. We're now going to do a side rock cross, rocking your right foot to the right side, recover onto your left, cross your right over your left. We're now going to make a quarter turn over our right shoulder, stepping back with your right foot to face 3 o'clock, a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping your right foot to the right side to face 6 o'clock, and then you're going to do a left crossing shuffle, cross left over right, right side, left over right. Let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, you're doing your walks. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 2, you're gonna rock your right foot to the right side, recover onto your left, and then we're gonna weave, cross your right behind your left foot to the side, cross your right over your left. We're now going to do rocks with shoulder pushes. So we're gonna rock our left foot to the left side, and as we rock to the left, you're gonna push your left shoulder up. You're now gonna rock to the right, and you're gonna push your right shoulder up. We're now going to do rocks that are slightly going to travel to the left. So you're going to rock to the left, pushing that left shoulder up. You're now going to bring your right foot slightly into your left. And as you do that, you're going to push your right shoulder up. And then you're going to rock to the left, pushing your left shoulder up. Let's try that with some counts. We would have just finished our crossing shuffle. You're going to rock to the right. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 3, we're going to rock to the right and do our shoulder pushes again. So we're going to rock to the right and push your right shoulder up. You're going to rock to the left and push your left shoulder up. We're now going to do rocks right, left, right that are going to slightly travel to the right. So you're going to rock onto your right foot, pushing that right shoulder up. You're going to bring your left foot slightly into your right, pushing your left shoulder up. and then you're going to rock to the right, pushing your right shoulder up. You're now going to cross your left over your right. You're going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder as you rock back with your right foot and recover onto your left to face 3 o'clock, and then you're going to do 2 walks forward, right, left. So let's try that with some counts. We would have just rocked to the left. You're doing your rocks to the right with your shoulder pushes. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. Section 4 in our final section of the dance, we're going to do a quarter turning side rock cross. So we're going to make a quarter turn over our left shoulder as we rock our right foot to the right side, recover onto your left, and cross your right over your left. You're going to make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping back with your left foot to face 3 o'clock. A quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping your right foot to the right side to face 6 o'clock. And now we're going to do a 3/4 paddle around. Your weight is going to stay on your right foot. You're just going to push your left foot to the left side and make a quarter turn. So we're going to make a quarter turn over our right shoulder as you push your left foot to the left side. You're now at 9 o'clock. You're going to make another quarter turn as you push your left foot to the left side. You're now at 12 o'clock. You're going to do another quarter turn over your right shoulder as you push your left foot to the left side. And then you have a choice. You can either step your left next to your right, or you can hop them together. Weight will be on your left foot at the end of the dance. So let's try that all with some counts. We would have just done our 2 walks forward, weights on your left. You're facing 3 o'clock. You're going to do your quarter turn rock and cross. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or 8, whichever one. What you want to make sure you're doing is this right foot, it's not rocking back and forth. You're just taking that left foot and you're kind of like pushing it down into the ground to push yourself around. Weight still onto that right foot. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts. Weight is on your left. You're starting with your walks. Walk, walk, side rock, cross, quarter back, quarter side, crossing shuffle, side rock, recover, behind side, cross, rock with your push, rock, push, rock, push, rock, push. Now you're doing it to the right, right, push, left, push, right, left, right. Cross, quarter, rock, back, recover, walk, walk, quarter, rock, recover, cross, quarter, back, quarter, side, quarter, paddle, quarter, paddle, quarter, paddle. Either step or hop together. Weight is on your left foot. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left. You're doing your walk. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. Now those rocks are going to take some practice. If you are an old school hip hop person, you can kind of think of the kid and play rock steps. That's kind of what you're doing. Now let's talk about the tag. The tag is going to come at the end of wall 5. So we'll dance the front wall all the way through. You'll be facing 3 o'clock, and we're going to add on a reverse paddle. We are only going to make a quarter turn, so your paddles are going to be about a 12th. If you just think that you're going to do 4 steps to the side, then you are facing 12 o'clock. So weight is on our, we would have just stepped our left next to our right. This is where you're going to have to do a slight step change. Instead of taking weight on it, you're going to go right into your reverse paddle. So on wall 5, you're going to step your left next to your right, but you're not going to take weight on it. We're then going to do a reverse paddle over our left shoulder. You're going to step your left foot slightly to the side, and you're going to make slight turns all the way around. So it would be left, 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 step. And weight will be on your left foot, ready to start all over. So now let's try it with some counts. We would have just ended facing 3 o'clock. You're going to do that slight step change. Because we are reverse paddling with our left foot, you want to make sure there's no weight on the left foot at the end of wall 5. So we're doing that turn over our left shoulder, making a quarter turn. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that is the whole tag. So now let's go around on the front and back walls. I'm going to do steps. Side walls, we're going to do counts. We're going to dance 6 walls of the dance so that we can practice the transition from the tag into the next wall. When you do that tag, it's on the end of wall 5. We will come back to 12 o'clock and that will become wall 6. So we're going to end up repeating the 12 o'clock wall twice in a row. Weight is on your left, but you're starting with your walk. Walk, walk, side rock, cross, quarter back, quarter side, cross and cross, side rock, recover, behind side, cross, rock with a push, rock with a push. Now rock, side together, side. Now rock, right with a push, left with a push, rock, right together, right. Cross, quarter rock back, recover, walk, walk, quarter rock and cross, quarter back, quarter side. Now your quarter paddle, 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 step, walk, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Walk, walk, side rock, cross, quarter back, quarter side, cross and cross, rock, recover, behind side, cross, push, push, push together, push, push right, left, right, left, right, cross, quarter, rock, recover, walk, walk, step, quarter, cross, quarter back, quarter side, quarter paddle, quarter paddle, quarter paddle, together, walk, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is wall 5. You're going to dance 32 counts and then add on your tag. Walk, walk, side rock, cross, quarter back, quarter side, cross and cross, side rock, recover, behind side, cross, push, push, push together, push, right, left, right, left, right, cross, quarter, rock, recover, walk, walk, quarter, rock and cross, quarter back, quarter side, quarter paddle, 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 together. Now you're doing your reverse quarter paddle. Paddle, 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 step, facing 12 o'clock. Start over again, walk, walk, side rock, cross, quarter back, quarter side, cross and cross, side rock, recover, behind side, cross, rock left, right, left, right, left, rock right, left, right, left, right, cross, quarter rock back, recover, walk, walk, rock, quarter with a cross, quarter back, quarter side, quarter paddle, quarter paddle, quarter paddle, together. And that is the whole dance. There is no ending listed on the step sheet. I like to add one in for myself. When you're doing the paddle, I just like to go extra around, so I face the front and then I hop to the front, but it's not listed on the step sheet, so you can just dance the dance all the way through without worrying about anything. Now that you've practiced with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo and practice as much as you would like so that you can go out and rock this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn BAM. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.
Like bang, bang, boom, bam. I was on the road on my way to go and so It hit me like bang, bang, boom, bang. Oh, this golden haze that you got me in. Seeing shots for days. It hit me like bang, bang, boom, bang. I got a feeling. Lifting me up right through the ceiling. I can't believe it. I must be dreaming. It hit me like bang, bang, boom, bang. Now I got a feeling. Lifting me up right through the ceiling. I can't believe it. I must be dreaming. It hit me like bang, bang, boom, bang. Bang, bang, boom, bang. Bang, bang, boom, bang. Bang, bang, boom, bang.